Mamacita, welcome back to my channel. It is so great to have you back. Welcome. And if you are brand new, hey, welcome. If you like what you see, give me a like, heck, even hit the subscribe button and come back for weekly videos from me, Saving Mamacita. So today, you guys, we are going to be opening up a mystery bag. What is in this mystery bag? We're gonna find out real quick, but first of all, I wanted to tell you a little bit about this company that I found online. And I absolutely love checking out new businesses and supporting small businesses if I can. It's so awesome to be able to support small businesses and to help them grow, help get the word out. I am by no means paid for this video at all. I just simply wanted to share my love and adoration for LFT Clothing Company. So if you want to check them out on their website, go ahead and do so. Basically, they are a fitness clothing company, and I absolutely love their tanks and their tees. They are so much fun, and they're so cheap and affordable, and they're super cute too. I have done a video of them in the past. If you want to check that one out, you can see what I got in my last mystery bag. And so much fun. So much fun that I wanted to do it again. So mystery bag number 2 includes 4 different tees or tanks in this bag. I paid a flat rate of $25 for the bag, and we will see what I've received in this mystery bag. Are you guys excited? I am! So let's go ahead and do the mystery bag from LFT Clothing Company. Let's see what I got. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it is blue. You guys know I'm about to say about blue. This is my favorite color. So I'm excited. So you pay a $25 rate for the mystery bag, and they do not always have these mystery bags on their website. You have to keep checking back and sign up to be you can sign up using your email address and get updates from them, and they will send you different deals and such in your email and notify you when there is a mystery bag available. So I did that. $25 for this bag. We're gonna see what I got. These are soft, really soft. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm ready. I absolutely love different tanks with fun sayings on them. Oh, look at this. This one says muscle. Look at that pretty color, you guys. I love this color. This is like legitimately my favorite color right here, right here. So this is basically a stretchy cotton tank, size medium. You basically choose the size that you wear, and then they send you a bunch of different random ones for your mystery bag. So on the front it says muscle, muscle. So I will try this on for you guys in just a second. So that's number 1. Number 2, we have a purplish pink tank, and this one also says muscle, and it's in like a yellowish, it's kind of like a raised text lettering. And this one says muscle on it as well. And I like these tanks because these are a little bit longer, so they don't bunch up when you're working out. They're actually nice long tanks, and I will show you that as soon as I finish showing you the rest of these. So this is like a purplish pink. So pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. The third one is kind of like a grayish green color. Actually, I would say more of a gray. Looks more grayish in the light. But this is pretty. This one has LFT HVY SHT. Can you figure that out? Fill in the missing letters and let me know what you come up with. Isn't it so so cute. I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I actually do have a tank like this that says lift heavy. Yeah, this is cute. So cute. I like the color. And finally, the fourth tank I received. This is totally me. I am a big time coffee drinker. This is totally me. And if you're into energy drinks, this would also fit you perfectly. Heavily caffeinated. Yep, that's me. Zzz. So 4 awesome tanks, you guys, for 25 bucks. That is amazing. Okay, so I got the gray one. I've got the darker grayer colored one, gray-green. I want to say it's greenish, but it looks like a brownish gray now that I see it in the light. The lift heavy. And then we have the pinkish purple. And my favorite, muscle tank blue, more of like a aqua blue. So awesome. If you guys want to check that out, check out their website, LFT Clothing Company, and you guys just go there for fun and check out what they have available. You will get a kick out of the fun stuff that they have on there. In fact, right now, I believe they have a tie-dye collection. So I know tie-dye is really in and fun right now, and they are offering like a pretty sweet deal on those tees and tanks and hooded sweatshirts too, actually, I saw. So go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you guys, and you can let me know what you think.
A few moments later.
Here is my favorite color blue muscle tee. I love how it just kind of circles down here. It has the longer length on it, and it also has like the racer back. Let's see the racer back. So it's a simple tank, but it's a comfortable tank. I love different colored tanks, and this one is super cute. I love it. Okay, so here is the purplish pink tank. What I love about these tanks is that they are very comfortable and they're consistent with the sizing. So these are all mediums, they all fit the same. So it kind of cinches around the waist a little bit. They come a little bit longer. I know you can't really see the lettering on this one, but super cute, super cute, super comfortable. Simple enough for working out. Okay, would somebody grab me a barbell, please? Because I'm feeling like lifting some. Bring it, baby. Bring it. So wasn't that so much fun? I absolutely love these tanks. $25 for 4 tank tops, the mystery bag from LFT Clothing Company. If you guys are looking for some affordable tanks and tees for working out, you need to check it out, at least give it a try. I will leave all these fun little tanks, links in my description along with the website and other information if you want to check them out. So thank you guys, this has been so much fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you real soon. Thanks for watching.